Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made these cute little margarita and wine glasses. So I got a bunch of glasses off of Amazon. You could probably also buy them at a local dollar store or garage sales or whatever you want to do. And then I got these geode coaster molds from Michael's Arts and Crafts. And I basically just figured out what kind of sprinkles or designs or flowers or whatever I wanted to put in the bottom. And I put the glass in the mold and added my designs to it and let it dry overnight, basically. The resin I used in this project is called Liquid Diamonds. It's a casting resin and it has very little bubbles, so you don't really need much heat. I think the hardest part of this entire project is trying not to get resin on the glass with your hands when you're moving it around. So that's why you see me palming it. The possibilities are endless when it comes to things you could add to the resin to make these glasses. Here you see me using margarita glasses, but I also made some with wine glasses, and they make really cute gifts. Something else I did was I took some Elmer's glue and added it to the stem of the glass and just put 2 layers of glitter over it. And then you just take some resin and rub it over the glitter after it's dry. Don't forget, when working with resin, it's very important to wear gloves and a respirator mask. This resin that I'm using can be purchased online at thecraftattack.com. So I'm just going to fiddle with these a little bit more, and once they're dry, I will show you what they look like. I did sell a bunch of these, but I also have a bunch left for sale online in my Etsy shop. If you just go on Etsy and search Art by Karen Governale, you will find them. Thanks for watching.